Okay team, so here's a little video on my new toy, which has just come out of the box. The Einhell planer thicknesser. What's it called? TCSP 204. 204 because this width here is, I believe, 204 millimeters. Where is my tape measure? Oh, brilliant, already scratched it. Ooh, wow. The bed is a little bit more than 204 millimeters, but the cutting width will be 204. So that's the fence that sits up somewhere. And here's all the goodies that come with it, and I've got to say, I'm pretty impressed. I was worried about, having something to push it through with. You get two of them. Two shovers, so you can keep your hands out of the way. You don't get that. Destructions. Here's the wood collecting, the chip collecting stuff. So that will fit on my hose down there. So that's good, neat and tidy. Another Allen key to add to the collection. Various bits and bobs, handles and stuff. And that's a protector that goes over the bit of blade you're not using, because as part of the planer, that's the cutting blade there, which I can make it, I'm not going to make it move, but yeah, bit of grease on there. But anyway, look, so you put bits of wood on there, zip, and then they go underneath as well on that bit there, so you can get them flat. So yeah, so I'm going to put this together, figure out how it works, and then do some planing. So I'm very excited. See you soon. So it's together. There is a problem. First thing, and I kind of knew about this anyway, is this is the handle that adjusts the router table underneath, okay? Sneeze. They usually come in pairs. Right, but look, you can't do that, but they all the different models have that problem. I mean, why you couldn't put that there and then it's out of the way? I don't know. Anyway, so that's it. Second problem. This is my dust collection. And that fits on there, right? Except, of course, it bloody doesn't, does it? Look, you can't get it on there. So, it must be some sort of adapter for that, to get that on there. But I'll worry about that later. So, let's give it a little whirl. So, I'm just going to stand that up, just so we can see. There's the blade in there. And I'll just turn it on for you. That's absolutely lethal. That's why that thing sits on there. As a safety precaution. A very, very important safety precaution, because that blade is all killer. And you feed him from that direction. There's an arrow there. Feed in there. We're good to go. Just got to make sure my the fence here is at 90 degrees. Let's have a look. See, where is my thing? It's over here. Okay, is it going to be 90? Whoo! That's not too bad. It's a little bit 89-ish, so I'll have to adjust that, make sure that's perfect. You don't want a gap. You don't want a gap there, because then your things come out wrong. So yeah, we're going to get ready to start doing some stuff. Right, so here's an offcut of oak. You can see it's completely shagged. It's warped and bent and everything. Let's see if I can turn that into a straight and true bit. Not these ends. Well, I might try those, but anyway, let's see if we can get this straight and true on the old thing. Yeah, so it's come with shovers and things, so you can, but that's for doing faces, rubbery mats, and this one perhaps is for that. But this bit's so tall, it's so screwed. I'm just going to try that. All right. Now I've got it set to 0.5 millimetre, so we shall see. Not super smooth, but that is end grain, so you know, I don't know, maybe. So now you've got one edge, you now do a face. So let's pick the worst face. Well, that's terrible, that face. Let's do this. Oh, I'll turn on the dust extraction, shall I? This time. That, ladies and gentlemen, that's fantastic. Let's just check that for square. Oh! You've no idea how long that would have taken me with a plane, and it wouldn't have been flat. But that, oh my lord! Oh, I'm so excited. I can make so many good things with this. Okay, so what I've got to do now is change it from a planer to a thicknesser. So this thing has to come out. So we go. That's just about catching. Oh, I don't know. Let's see. Let's see. Okay folks, so sort of, I mean the speed of it, I mean look at that, that's, parallel faces, straight edges. It's a little bit rough around the edges. It's not a finished piece, is it? But it's doing the job. Lessons learned: when you're facing, push down quite hard. They tend to move. Sometimes it'll drop, and then you get a gouge out. So when you go from one side to the other, the back end can drop. So you've got to keep the pressure on the front end. So that's the first lesson. Make sure your fence is 90 degrees. It's annoying that you can't fit the dust extraction with the fence in place at 90, but oh well, maybe it does fit. It's a bit tight at that end. I think, you know why it's tight at that end? I think because this fence is not entirely straight. I'll check that out and maybe make an adjustment with my persuader. If you don't know what a persuader is, that's a persuader there. You persuade things to do what you want them to do. But on the whole, I'm very excited to get cracking with this thing with big bits of wood like this, which obviously I'm going to have to rip down the middle because it won't fit in that little hole. But but I'll do that. So yeah, Einhell planer thicknesser. I've forgotten what it is, what the number is. Anyway, here we go. See you later. Bye.